Hey, this is Mox Fox. Just want to let you know this video is not sponsored, and if you could just hit the sub button, it helps out more than you know and doesn't cost a thing. Thank you very much. Now on to the review. How's it going, everyone? This is Mox Fox. Today we have just a short unboxing and first impressions of the BPS knives HK5. Now, this is made in the Ukraine. They are relatively inexpensive and are available on Amazon. Just looks like that. Yeah. Nice leather sheath. Looks to be 9 to 10 ounce leather. So it's a pretty thick sheath. Nice dangler, well constructed, good billet in it. No drainage hole though on the sheath, something I would like to see in the future, but that's fairly easy to add. And considering the price that you pay for these, it's not much of an issue. Alright, on to the main show. Get that out of here. So, we have napkin. Okay, we have comes with a napkin. QR code for, I'm guessing, their website and other models. Let's have a look at the knife itself. Oh, I already don't like that. So, first, without even pulling out the blade, I have to say the handles are a little bit short. I know it's going to be hard to see on film, but the blade stock actually comes up over. The handle is smaller than the actual metal itself, and it's leaving just a sharp edge all the way around the entire handle. Not sure I like that at all. Well, we'll have a look at that later. Another QR code, I'm guessing, for their website. Nice spear point, Scandi grind. Nice little choil. Can't choke up on it. Good hand size though. Large size hand, fits in the hand very nicely. Nice 90-degree spine, but that handle is still getting to me. I don't know if this is normal for them or if I just got a dud, but yeah, that's pretty sharp. I'm pretty sure I can cut my hand on the handle. Well, either way, looks to be a nice nice size. I think it's like a 5-inch blade or 5 or 6-inch blade. But yeah, those are my first impressions. I will be doing another full review on this knife later on, but that's just what I got for you today. Well, thanks, and keep an eye out for the review. And remember, never stop learning.